The Realme P3 Ultra was just announced in India. The P3 Ultra 5G has a glow-in-the-dark lunar design back panel that changes color and gives off a green glow in low light. The Realme P3 Ultra will be available in Orion Red, Neptune Blue, and Lunar White color options. The Realme P3 Ultra is confirmed to weigh just 183 grams and is relatively slim at 7.38 millimeters. The Realme P3 Ultra 5G comes with a 6.83-inch 1.5K quad-curved screen with up to a 120Hz refresh rate and 3,840Hz PWM dimming. The P3 Ultra runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultra chipset, offer 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256 UFS 3.1 storage. The handset will feature a large 6,000 mAh battery with 80W AI bypass charging. Realme P3 Ultra 5G price in India starts at 26,999 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.